synthetic division. Find the quotients and remainder by using the synthetic divisions. Now only we are going to see about the synthetic division. Whether your polynomial x cube and x square, then x, then constant. So it's in the standard. First of all, observe whether it is in the standard form or not. Then we can move to the problem. Okay. So how can I write in this place means, so normally how can we write? So my p of x is x cube plus x square minus 7x minus 3. Please write this is yx, not this is yn. Okay. Many of them written in your classwork n. That's why I'm telling. So in this place, this is my g of x equal to x minus 3. Normally, how can we find out a factor? Put g of x is equal to 0. That implies x minus 3 is equal to 0. That implies x equal to what? Positive 3. Okay, they given the values. Then by using this, put that box. Okay, like L-shaped box. So what is first? What is the coefficient of x cube? 1. So coefficient means what? You already know about coefficient because in previous sessions we already studied. So x cube. What is the coefficient for x cube? So 1. Okay, multiple term. So 1. In this place also positive 1. In this place minus 7. In this place minus 3. Okay, these are your coefficients. And what is division? That is your 3. Positive. Whether it's a negative means this should be positive. Okay. So the first value should be produced 0. Okay. Whatever value you have, no problem. The first value should be 0. You should represent it. So 1 plus 0. So add this number. So 1 plus 0. First to put the 0. So in initial I am telling by using the synthetic division. So we are having a two polynomial, one polynomial division of another polynomial. So you know this, what is the factor of this. So I know my x is equal to 3. So the normal division like that. So I am writing this is a positive 3 by using this. So first two value. So L shape J representing what is the coefficient of x cube? So multiply 1 into x cube. So 1. So 1 into x square. So positive. So positive 1. Having a minus 7 into x. So what's the coefficient? Minus 7. With the sign you should write. And minus 3 is your constant. Okay. It should be in the standard form. Constant. Then x. Then x square. Then x cube. Should be in this standard form. Okay. So first I am taking a 0. This is the fixed solving these sums. Okay. So I am taking a 0. So we should add this 1 plus 0 is a 1. Then this and this is multiplication. 3 ones are 3. So 3. So same. 1 plus 3, 4. Same. 3 into this 4. 3 4s are positive 12. So we are having a subtracting and addition. So 12 minus 7. What's the value? So 12 minus 7 means obviously 5. Your greatest symbol is a positive, so positive 5. So I am having a 5. Then 3 5s are how much you are getting? 3 5s are how much you are getting? 15. So I am substituting positive. So 3 into 3, positive 15. So what's the value? 15 minus 3. So positive means, the negative means subtracting this value. So what you are having? 12 greater symbol is positive, so positive. So what we have to do in this place means put this box. The last term, right? That should be your remainder. So last term is your remainder. So we are having x cube, right? So what is the next x square? So I am writing this is my, so quotient is, quotient I can write. So this is my 1, right? So what is a higher degree? X cube. So what is the next degree? X square. So I am writing 1 into x square. So plus, so after 1 into x, then plus 5. Okay, you should write like this. If you are having x cube means you will write like this, x square. If you are having x power 4 means x cube, x square, x, then constant. You should write like this. But in this place I am having a x cube. So what is the next term? X square, x, then constant. So I am having, this is my quotient. Okay. So this is also right, x square plus 4x plus 5. So what's the remainder? So last term is what? So my remainder equal to 12. Okay. By using the same method, we are going to do all the sums because they mention the synthetic division. That's why we are using the synthetic division. Okay. So that's why we are using the synthetic divisions. The next sum, what they given. Okay. So I will do the fourth sum. You will try these two sums. Okay. We have an idea, right? So I will do the fourth sum, balance 2 sum, your homework. So I can do my fourth sum, 8x power 4 minus 2x square plus 6x plus 5 division of 4x plus 1. Okay, this is your values. So I need my polynomial should be in my standard form. So what can I do for this? So my p of 8x power 4 plus 0 into x cube. I already told, right? Should be in standard form. So power 4, then cube, then square, like that. So the missing term, I should multiply with 0 and add. Okay, minus 2 square 6x plus 5. Then this is my g of x as it is 4x. Okay, equal to 0. So 4x plus 1 equal to 0, that implies 4x equal to minus 1, that implies x is equal to minus 1 by 4. Multiplication moving that place become a division. So as it is, put the L-shaped box. So what's the coefficient? 8. X cube coefficient 0. Squares coefficient minus 2. Constants coefficient 6. In this place 5. Okay, so what's the value? Minus 1 by 4 is a factor. The given factor is minus 1 by 4. Okay, then we can solve. I already told, right? So adding the 0, we get the answer. So what I am going to do in this place means adding this 0. So 8 plus 0, 8 only. Then so what we are going to do, solving the problem. So solving the problem means, so this term into this term we are multiplying. So minus 1 by 4 into what? 8. So I can cancel. How much I am getting? 2. So minus into plus, minus 1 into 2, minus 2. So I can write in this place minus 2. 0 minus 2, minus 2. So again this and this multiplication, minus 1 by 4 into minus 2. What I am getting? So cancel this. How much I am getting? Minus into minus plus. So balance 2. So 1 by. Then what's the next term? Minus 1 by 4 into minus 3 by 2. Multiplying this and this. What you are getting? Minus into minus plus 3 by 4 2 is 8. So 3 by 8. So adding this. 6 plus 3 by 8. So denominator is not same. So multiplying 8. 6 are 48 plus 3. Denominator is common. So adding this, how much we are getting? 51 by 8. So 51 by 8. So multiplying this term and this term. So minus 1 by 4 into 51 by 8 is equal to minus 51 by, it's not cancelling, right? That's why. So 32. So minus 51 by 32. Okay, so adding this 5 minus 51 by 32. So denominator is not same. So 32, 32. So 5 into 32. How much it will come? 10 balance 1. 15, so 16. So 160. Yeah. So 160 by 32 I am having, right? This one. Because the greater symbol is a 160. So 160. Sorry, answer is not 160 by 32. 160 minus 51 by 32. Equalize, right? So 160 minus this. So 901. So 109 by 32. So what's value? 109 by 32. So what is the value? In this place we are having a little bit difference, ma. So what is the factor we are having? So how can I write in this place? This is, I already told. So x, it is going. So you can write this is, or how can I write? X plus, just moving this place, equal to 0. I can write like this now. So if you are having fraction form for your factor means you should write like this. Okay. So what I am having in this place means x plus 1 by 4. Then what are the terms I am having? So I am having a power 4 means there is a cube 8. Next is a x cube minus 2 x square, then minus 3 by 2 x, then plus 51 by 8. So plus, what's the value? The remainder is 109 by 2. Okay, quotient plus remainder. So this is a normal format. You should listen in this place. So if you are having this is in the fraction form means you should write like this. So I can taking LCM. So what I am having? So multiply. Numerators you are multiplying. So 4x plus 1 by 4. This is a 1 part. Okay. Then in this place the first term is a 8. So I can take in 4 table, right? So each and every value is, so in this place I can take 4 2s are. Okay. In this value, if I am taking 4 means 4 by 4. I am adding 4 by 4. In this place also 4 by 4. In this place also 4 by 4. Are you clear? So I am taking the numerator of the 4. So I am multiplying, dividing 4, multiplying, dividing 4, multiplying, dividing 4. So if I am taking, this 4, this 4, this 4, this way, each and every value should be 4. So that's why for my convenience, multiplying, dividing 4, multiplying, dividing 4, multiplying, because I am going to cancel this 4. So what I am having, so I am taking 1 4 is common. So balance is 2x cube minus this 4 is go out, but your denominator 4 is as it is. So 2x square by 4. In this place 1 4 is go out, denominator 4 is 3x by 4 2s are 8 plus 51 by 4 8s are 32. So plus 109 by 32. This is a little bit complicated to remember this, but try to understand this. So for you should cancel this 4. That's why what you are going to do means, so I am taking a LCM to get denominator form. So we should neglecting this 4 means, so I am taking 4 common. So I am multiplying, dividing, because I don't have the 4 in this place. That's why multiplying, dividing. That should be mathematically we are studying in the lower classes. So some of you not better basic. That's why I am telling multiplying, dividing. So obviously my numerator 4 is getting common out. Each and every value I have 4 only I can take common. So my denominator having 4, multiply with that term. So 4 into 1 I am getting 4. 4 into 2 I am getting 8. 4 into 8 I am getting 32, the same. So this part is totally different. So don't worry about this remainder. Okay. So what can I do in this place? I can cancel this, and this place is a 1, this is a 2. So I can write my answer is into 2x cube minus x square by 2 minus 3x by 8 plus 51 by 3, 32 plus 109 by 32. So you find out these terms, right? This term is your quotient. If you multiply this term, because you are dividing this term, right? So this is a factor of this overall polynomial. So what you need? So coefficients. I need this coefficient alone. So that's why I am taking 2x cube minus x square. This is my answer. Minus 3x by 8 plus 51 by 32. So what's my remainder? The remainder is 109 by 32. That's it.